got it off. All right, that last one was this little bolt that was right here on the side of the block right there. So I'm gonna set this down here. We still have to get the power steering pump off of this bracket so we can put it on the other bracket. So let's figure out what that looks like. All right. As you can see, using the toolboxes that I take to the junkyard as my little table, but use what you got, right? So let's see. Flip this way. Right, we got a leak out of there. Not too big, but it's cool. Now, I'm gonna be honest. Haven't taken this off of this bracket before, so I'm gonna be figuring it out right now. So bear with me. All right, well, I got this side bracket off. Don't think that was necessary, but hey, it's done. Cool, so get a little mallet or something to knock that down. They literally got to be spun on the other side, it looks like. Inside there. So if you guys can see this, inside there are some 15s in there, and I don't have a wrench readily available to get two or three. One, two, yeah, I see 3 bolts heads in there. So you're gonna need a open-ended 15. So I have another set of tools in my backyard. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go dig in there and find my 15mm wrench.